Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create an e-subscription form. As you know, e-subscription forms are very important for collecting visitors' information from your website, and this is how you can turn website visitors into revenue-producing customers. So go ahead in your Video Communication Center, click on e-subscription forms. Another window is going to pop up. You go to Design Your Custom Form. Now, first and foremost, you'll notice at the top there are a bunch of pre-designed e-subscription forms there for you in case you're not sure about what you want your design to look like. If you click on any one of them, you'll notice the adjustment to the background of your e-subscription form. Okay, so if you want to check out one of these custom forms, you can just click on any one of them and it will adjust it for you. However, if you want to upload your own background, you have a custom background or a nice picture or image that you want to put there, simply go to upload background image. Then you will choose that file from your back office. Okay, if it's not the exact dimensions, then you will be asked to actually crop it. So I'm going to select that file, then I'm going to upload it. And as you notice, it's given me a section that I can actually crop the image for. So let's just say I choose that. I click on crop it, use this, and there is my background. Okay. Now if you want to be able to remove the TalkFusion logo from the bottom, simply click right over here, remove logo. Okay, so you don't have to have that there. You want to edit some of this information up here. Normally it will say something like join our mailing list. Okay, so you see that information is changed. If you want to edit the color of this text at the very top, you can go here where it says form title. You can change the color, as you can see right there. Select different colors. All of that is available for you. Okay. If you want to be able to change, these are known as the form labels. These are the different fields of information that you're collecting. If you want to change that, then you just go to where it says form label and you change the color. Okay, so there you have that. Now, if you want to be able to add fields, so let's say you want to collect more information, look over here to the left and you'll see a number field. So you can actually add a section to collect a person's phone number. Okay, now here is something. You can edit that label. Instead of saying number field, you can say phone number. Now, where it says validation, this is important. Validation simply means if you want it to be mandatory for a person to fill out that field before they can click the submit button, then you will have validation set to required. If it's optional, then you untick it. But if it's mandatory, you tick it. Okay? And as you see, you can enter a number of different things. Okay, if you want to collect a person's website, or if that's optional, you can simply put that in here. You can have website. Validation would be optional because not everybody has a website. Okay, so those are things that you can do. If you don't want that field, simply click on the X. Ask you if you're sure, click yes. Okay, let's say you have a very simple selection. You want to ask somebody a question. Maybe you want to ask them, do you need a website? And you can put in the possible answers, yes, no, soon. Okay, validation, I want that required. Let's say I'm trying to collect that information because I market websites or something, right? So whatever that information is you want to collect from that person, you can put that in there. Okay, and so there you have it, a very simple way that you can keep editing things. If you want to have a comments field, you can put a text area. Okay, if you want to be able to adjust the size of your form, simply move your mouse to the bottom right corner till you see that little arrow, and you can simply drag it, okay, to adjust the size of your form. Okay, but if not, go ahead. Let's go ahead and take that back out. You need to give the form a name, so we'll call it demo. You can put the name of your business as an example. You can put whatever email address you want to put. Okay, and this is what the person will see when they get a confirmation email from you, because TalkFusion adheres to the highest standards for email marketing. So it's all about double opt-in. When a person hits submit, they'll be sent a confirmation email asking them to confirm their email, and once they click that, then that person is officially on your list, and they will receive all of your emails that you sent to them. It won't go to the spam box. It has much higher deliverability when they double opt in. So that's the kind of opting in that you actually want. Okay, so remember, depending on the size of the form on your website, the size of the space on your website, you can adjust the size of your e-subscription form. Okay, so very important to remember. Okay, and you'll notice over here, redirect URL. So if you have a URL or a web page that you want a person to automatically be redirected to as soon as they hit the submit button, you would type that in here. If not, you can leave it, and a default message will be shown to them saying, please check your email for a confirmation request. And if you want to be notified every time there's a subscription, then you can click this on submission emails. So it'll notify you every time you have a new subscription. If not, you can just leave it blank. There you have it. And then from there, once you've given it a name, etc., you click on save your form. Okay, now it's going to give you, this is what you would actually give to your web developer, or if you manage your site yourself, you can click on select code. You just want to copy that code, press Control C, or you can right click, click copy. Then what you want to do is you want to head to your site, okay? Or you, like I said, you can give that text to your web developer, and they will actually do this for you, okay? But if you understand how to do this, I just want to show you an example. So if I go to visit my site, look, there it is right there, join our mailing list. Now I can see from the size of it, I'll probably just want to go back in and just readjust the size to make it a little bit bigger for me. But there is how your e-subscription form can be placed on your website. Okay, enjoy.